Hello friends, this is Rich from High Landscaping. This month we wanted to spend a little time and we're going to talk turf today. It's late August here in northeast Wisconsin and we're starting to get some phone calls in the maintenance department about some weeds and what do I need to do to get my lawn to look like that golf course lawn. So we're out in the neighborhood today at one of our lawn sites and we wanted to talk a little bit some things that you can do at home, either on your own, or if you need help, you can give us a call in the office and we can certainly come out and help you as well. But as you take a look at this lawn, one thing I wanted to point out to people is this particular lawn has no weed control put down on top of it. Also, there is no irrigation in this lawn, and you can tell that this lawn is nice and thick and green and lush. And so the questions that we get is, how do I get that kind of a lawn, and why does a lawn look like this, whereas some other lawns are full of weeds? If your lawn has a lot of weeds, there's a couple basic biology things that you just need to know that you can correct yourself. Number one is the soil. What's the environment that we're putting into our lawn? And so if you have a lot of open space, what it tells me is that we need to overseed that lawn. The thicker your grass, the more that you overseed, the less chances are that you're going to have weeds. This grass here gets overseeded every single year with a high quality premium seed. The big box store seed that you get does have fillers. So understand that if you're going to overseed, we want to make sure that we use a quality product. Number two issue that we see to get your lawn to look like this is mowing height. Now this lawn was recently mowed, but you can tell that it might look a little bit taller than some of yours. The proper mowing height for a lawn is 3 to 3.5 inches. This lawn is 3.5 inches. It was just mowed yesterday. So when you look at this lawn, if your grass isn't quite this tall, you might be cutting it a little too short. But what you can also see is there's no weeds in this yard. We do not use weed control products here, and again, there is no irrigation. So if you use a quality seed and you mow a little taller, I think you're going to find some success. The third thing to be aware of is what we call core aeration. Core aeration is when we take a hole, a plug, and we open up the soil. By doing that, you allow the air and the nutrients to get down into your soil. Here in northeast Wisconsin, we have a lot of clay, and clay needs to be broken up. And so a good core aeration is really, really important to open up your soil. If you aerate and overseed, you're going to have a lawn that looks like this. If you have a lot of weeds in your yard, first and foremost be aware that our round 4 treatment of weed control has already begun. A couple weeks ago, we're roughly 25% through it. If we haven't quite gotten to your residence yet, we're on the way. But if you don't get a treatment from us, and you would like to control some weeds, if it is out of control and you have weeds all over the place, you may need some help before you overseed and do a core aeration. September to about halfway through October is the ideal time to do aeration and overseeding of your lawn. If you can do it yourself, great. If you need a quality seed, come see us in the retail department. We'll get you the proper seed that is of high quality and has very few impurities. If you need some help with aerating, give us a call. We still have some room in our calendar. We can get you in, do a good aerating and a good overseeding on your property. So thanks to our homeowner for letting us come out on residence today, get out into the neighborhood. I hope that these quick little tips are helpful to you and something you can easily do at little to no cost in your own yard. Thanks for watching.